Evening to everyone. This is Swarupa Mahapatra from third year IT. As we all know that India got the prosperous heritage of knowledge, many scientists, mathematicians, astrologers have contributed their epic knowledge in the sea of Indian growth. So today India is rapidly progressing in the field of technology. National Technology Day of India is observed on 11th May of every year. So do you know why Technology Day is celebrated? National Technology Day is National Technology Day of India is celebrated to encourage people to show more interest in science and technology. Motivate students. It is all the way to motivate the students to pursue science and technology as a career. It is very necessary to encourage individuals and groups who are contributing to the advancements in the science and technology sector of India. So as we all know, the theme of National Technology Day 2021 is Science and Technology for a Sustainable Future. While now I come to the topic. The topic is Future of STI Impacts on Education Skills and Works. As we embark on the fourth industrial revolution, it's clear that the technology will play a central role in nearly all aspects of our lives. Research by the World Economic Forum estimates that 65% of the children entering primary school will be finding themselves in the occupations that do not exist at all. By 2020, it's estimated that there will be almost 1.5 million new designated jobs across the globe. At the same time, 90% of the organizations currently have the IT skill shortage, while 75% of the educators feel there's a gap in their ability to meet the skills needs at the IT workforce. To prepare the talented needs of the digital economy, education must adapt as fast as demand to the IT skills in growing and evolving. Insight into the influence of psychological or social, cultural, and environmental factors on how we learn are emerging from the new science of learning. This approach to understanding the education, which always argues in a complex and rapidly evolving in the world today in the day-to-day lifestyle. Academic model based are already interdisciplinary researches are necessary to create effective teaching and learning environments. Through this, I just want to conclude by saying one thing is that science and technology gets creates a great facility in our future. So it's our responsibility to take upon it and make our future bright. Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.